In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install PrintSpace, printing services and design online WooCommerce WordPress theme. To purchase this theme, kindly use our affiliate link in the description to purchase the theme. After purchasing the theme, you go straight to our dashboard. Then from there, I go to my appearance. This is the default theme that is there, that's why it is written customize. So next, because I want to install a new theme that I got, so I'm going to click on add new theme, upload theme, then I choose the file I want to install. That's the theme for my system. Here is it. I will take this, open, install now. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also use link in the description to hire me to help you install the theme. It's worth 403 forbidding access to this resource on the server is denied. Okay, no problem. There are other ways we can go about it. I click on go back. Then next, I go to my C panel. My C panel, here's my C panel. From here, I go to my file manager. I go to my WP site. Here is it. My content, themes. I have already uploaded the script here and extract it. Here is it. I uploaded it using up. Then appearance. Where is it? Then I activate. I will activate. So after activating, it was this. So I activate. So next, after activating, let me go to my site. Opening a new tab. Okay, I have successfully uploaded the theme. So now let me come here to install the available plugins. Install plugins. Select all. Okay, they are all there. Let me just activate. Activate. Apply. So done. So let me go back to my dashboard again. Let me just close this. So that's my dashboard. Everything has been, the plugins have been added. If I go to my appearance again, the customize should appear on the PrintSpace. Look at it. This is it. This shows this is the default. This is the theme available now. Let me activate this one as well. This is the site. Okay. Let me go back to my site. Refresh. I have successfully uploaded my theme. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. For theme installation and customization, please use link in the description to hire me to help you install or customize.